Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.3, Somebody's Mother, written by Mary Doe Bryan. Yesterday we have seen about this poem. It's a really heart-touching poem, and we are going to discuss now English workshop. This poem, what is the theme of this poem? This is a very simple and heart-touching poem, and this poem is theme of this poem is if you help to anyone, then any means that maybe they will also help to anyone, also help to you. Okay, means it's a it get the this poem get the mental picture of whole incident, and it reminds us and saying that do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Okay, means it shows the compassion of a young boy. This poem shows the compassion of a young boy. Means the world, means that time, means when the world is busy, when other world is busy and they are careless for other, they are showing the careless for other, that time that young boy, means that compassion of young boy, it's a very means we can take something from this poem. Okay, it gives the reader a warm feeling in the heart. This poem gives us the warm feeling to the heart of the reader. Okay, and means that compassion of this young boy shows us that means we must help other. We must help other. Okay, now means this poem there are many figure of speech, alliteration, inversion is there. Okay, and simile is there. Okay, and see means alliteration, hurt, happy, and means his heart, young heart, happy and well content. This figure of speech is related to alliteration. And folk like a sheep. Okay, folk of sheep, like a folk of sheep. This figure of speech is simile. And then back again to his friend he went. Okay, means it is also inversion. This line is content inversion. Now see, here is given means guess the following using reference from the poem. Okay, means here is given this question using poem, is that setting, the reason. Okay, setting the reason. Then next is the locality. Okay, reason, locality, the time of the year, and the day, means the reason is filled with the winter snow, means that setting. See, the reason is filled with the winter snow. The locality means crowded street, and the time, it was the winter evening time. Okay, time of the year means winter's day, and day was evening, means it's the evening time of the day. Okay, like this way you have to write this. Write the all meaning in your notebook, and here is not given any beside question. You have to write this English workshop in your notebook. Yesterday we have seen the first question, now and second question. Now question number 3. Give in your own word 2 reasons for each of the following. See, first, the woman was reluctant to cross the street by herself. Reluctant means unable, or she was unwillingly to cross the street by herself. Okay, Means the woman was reluctant to cross the street because the road was slippery because of the snow. The road was slippery because of the snow, and there was a heavy crowd uh, because of the crowded people as well as horse carriages on the road. Okay, horse carriages on the road. The two reasons. Then next, the schoolboys were in a happy mood. The schoolboys were in a happy mood because they were free from their school over for the day, and there was a snow piled high on the road, and that's why they were in the happy mood. The next question, one of the schoolboy helped the old woman cross the street. One of the schoolboy helped the old woman to cross the street. Means that she was old and frightened to cross her own, and that boy was hopeful. Someone sometime may gives helping hand to his own mother when he was far away from her own mother. Okay, and that's why schoolboy was helped to that schoolwoman cross the old woman to cross the street. The next question, we must help those who are in the need. We must help those who are in the need. Yes. What is the answer? We too may need help one day, because we may also need help one day. Okay. And we must show compassion to those in need. Okay. We must show compassion to those who have need. Okay. This is the reason, like this way. And now next, think and write in 5-6 lines why most of the people on a street ignore those in need of help. What about you? Write about your feelings after you have help and not help when needed. Means it's your own feeling you have to write here. Okay. Means what's about your feelings about this, those who need the help. Okay, that you have to write in 5 to 6 line. Okay, like this way, this English workshop you have to solve in your notebook. And here is this poems, appreciation of poem, you have to write with the help of this 5 points. You have to write in paragraph format in your notebook. Means that title and poet name, theme or central idea, rhyming scheme of the poem, and figure of speech. With the help of this point, you have to write these poems appreciation in your notebook. And others poem also, whatever means Invictus and Life. And have you ever seen these poems also, you have to write the appreciation in your notebook. Okay, all these poems appreciation you should be write in your notebook. Okay. Like this way, our syllabus of textbook, it's finished now. From next lecture, we start our grammar and writing skill. Okay, thank you.